If you watched the Google Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro launch event from Google, two words would have stood out: AI, generative AI. AI, generative AI. AI is all around us, and Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are the latest and the greatest AI phones made by Google. In this video, I'm going to show you some awesome AI features which are present on the Google Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. And before we get down to business, do let us know in the comments on this video which is your favorite AI feature from the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Our first awesome AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is the ability to create your own AI wallpapers. Now this one here is using Google's generative AI. The wallpaper which you see on my Pixel 8 Pro right now is an AI wallpaper. How do you create them? So you will go into settings. From the settings main page, go into wallpapers and style, go into more wallpapers. You have the option of AI wallpaper. If you do not see this option, make sure you have updated all your applications from the Google Play Store. These here are the 7 categories which you can choose from, or the 7 themes, and any wallpapers which you create will be here on the bottom. So let us choose Dreamscapes. Now if you tap on Dreamscapes one more time, you can switch between the different themes. Now here, in whatever text you see underlined is something which you can change, but if you just want Google's generative AI to create an awesome wallpaper on the Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro, just select Inspire Me. All those words are going to be autofilled. You will have a cool looking animation, and bam, here it is, a lamp made of bamboo in green and teal, and you have these 4 dots on the bottom, which means you have 4 different AI wallpapers which have been created. If you like this one, tap on the check mark on the top right, say set wallpaper. Bam, here it is, wallpaper working like a boss on the lock screen and also on the home screen. In case you want to make any changes, we'll go back into wallpapers and style, more wallpapers, AI wallpapers. Let us select this one over here which I have created, tap on the edit option, and you can change it. So right now we have a lighthouse. Let us say we want a bridge which is made out of cotton, and the color combination which we're looking for is say green and teal, and we're going to say create wallpaper. You'll get the same animation, the same gear icon on the bottom rotating, and bam, here it is. This is a bridge made of cotton in green and teal, and here are multiple options. Let us say we want to use this one, tap on the check mark on the top right, set wallpaper. Here it is, working like a boss on the home screen of the Pixel 8. Next awesome AI feature for the Google Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is called Magic Editor. With Magic Editor, you can enlarge objects, you can move them around, you can change the size, and if you have a picture which has say sky, water, you can add special effects to those. You can change the sky, you have the option of golden hour, you can change the effects for your water. The possibilities here are endless, and of course if you need a detailed tutorial on how to use Magic Editor to achieve these great results which you just saw on your screen right now, we have a separate detailed video tutorial for that which can be found in the description of this video. Our next awesome AI feature on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is called Best Take. This one is created so that you can perfect your group pictures. You always take group pictures and you have a person who's either not looking at the camera, they have their eyes closed. As long as you have similar shots of that specific scene, you can open that picture in Google Photos, then you will go into Edit. Then you will go into tools, and if there are any faces in the picture and you have similar pictures in your album, you will get the option of best take. Once you select this, some processing is going to take place. As you can see, it is telling me finding similar shots, and now it has detected 2 faces. So here it is. Let us tap on John's face over here, and then these are my different options. So let us say we want the expression to be something like this, and all you have to do is say done. And next thing we're going to do is click on save a copy, and that is going to save a copy of this photo which I just edited using AI and Best Take on my Pixel 8 Pro. And before you ask me, hey Manji, do I need internet for this? Well, I did all of this without an active internet connection, no Wi-Fi, no 5G. All of this AI is being done on my Pixel 8 Pro, which is running the latest Google Tensor G3. For our next two awesome AI features on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, we will be using the Google Assistant. So for starters, let me show you how you can invoke Google Assistant on your Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro. So you will go into settings, you will go into system, and then you will go into navigation mode. And if you're using gestures, tap on the gear icon and make sure you have enabled swipe to invoke Assistant. If you're using the 3 button navigation, then you can enable hold home for Assistant. The other way of invoking Google Assistant is while you are in the system settings, if you go into gestures, scroll down, press and hold power button for digital assistant. I'm using it for the power menu, but if you use digital assistant, then you can press and hold the power button on the side to invoke Google Assistant. Now our first awesome Google Assistant AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is the ability to read pages. So here it is, I am on this Wikipedia page. So herein all I'm going to do is I'm going to invoke the Google Assistant and then I am going to select read aloud. The other option is you can say, hey Google, read this page, and it will do the same thing.
Raymond III was the Count of Tripoli from 1152 until his death. The son of Raymond II and Hodierna of Jerusalem, he was a seated father.
That's pretty cool, right? But this thing is even more cooler. For starters, you can like move it forward or backward by 10 seconds. You can change the playback speed, but the awesome AI feature here is you can actually translate this and it'll read it out in any other language. So all you have to do is tap on this A on the bottom right and herein choose your language. It is going to download it and then it is going to read it aloud in that specific language. So right now the page is being read in English. Let me increase the volume and I'll change it over to French. Changing audio language to French.
Wikipédia, l'encyclopédie libre. Raymond III était le comte de Tripoli de 1152 jusqu'à sa mort. Fils de Raymond II et Odier.
That is super cool and an awesome, great implementation of AI to help us. Our next awesome AI feature of the Google Pixel 8 Pro using the Google Assistant is the ability to create a summary of a page. Now do note this experience is only available if you're using your language as English and you are in the United States, and it works only in Chrome and the Google application. So here it is, we are on Wikipedia, and once we invoke Google Assistant, you can either tap on summarize or you can say, hey Google, summarize this. And bam, here it is. This is an AI generated summary of this page working like a boss on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Our next awesome AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is going to use Google Maps, and it is called Immersive View. Now this one is using an AI technique called Neural Radiance Fields, or NERF, which was actually developed by Google. So let us go into maps and herein let us search for a city. Let us say I want to go to Paris. Now if I zoom in on the map, you will see that some of the landmarks here have bigger icons. So let us choose the Eiffel Tower. Once I choose Eiffel Tower, you will notice on the bottom I have something called Immersive View. Once I select it, I can actually move around and see the neighborhood or how it is around the Eiffel Tower. I can actually pinch and zoom as well, and if you want to know the time and weather for the future, how it is going to look like if you're planning a visit, well, all you have to do is select time and weather, and right now it is 25 degrees Celsius over there, but bam, here it is. On the bottom is a slider, and that is how it is going to look, what the temperature will be. We are expecting some light rain at around 12:07 a.m. and the temperature is going to be 19 degrees Celsius. So again, another awesome helpful AI feature present on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Our next awesome AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro will let you correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes with just a tap. For starters, we will go into settings. Then you will go into system, keyboard, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, go into text correction, scroll down and make sure that spell check, grammar check, and proofread are enabled. And then let us say I'm sending a message to my friend Tim Apple over here. If you have grammatical mistakes in your message, they will be underlined and you will also get the option of fix it. Once you select fix it, it is going to correct those mistakes using AI, and you can also proofread your message. To explicitly proofread your message, tap on these four squares inside a circle on the extreme left, and this option of A with the check mark below it is the option to proofread, and bam, here it is. This is the proofread version of this message which was generated using AI on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Our next awesome AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is called Magic Compose. This feature is currently in beta, but it is using Google's generative AI to rewrite a message draft in different styles. Right now, it supports 7 different styles. So you have remix, excited, chill, Shakespeare, lyrical, formal, and short. Once this feature becomes stable, it is going to be an awesome AI feature again present on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. And something very important to know about Magic Compose is that it is only going to work if you have two devices which have RCS enabled. So if you are communicating with your friend who's using iMessage, you are on your Pixel using RCS, well, unfortunately, it won't work for you. But if you have, say, a friend who has a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with RCS, you are on your Pixel 8 Pro with RCS, it is going to work like a boss. The next AI feature present on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, and my least favorite one, is this one wherein they are expecting you to get support for your day-to-day problems with your devices using Google Assistant. Hey Google, how do I turn off notifications on my Pixel 8 Pro? Took it some time, but they did figure it out. But in my humble opinion, if Google is really serious about the hardware business, the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, they do need to set up some Google stores to compete with Apple, because that is an advantage which Apple has. People can walk in to an Apple store, get a device replacement, screen replacement, ask questions about their issues, talk to a real person. AI cannot fix everything. There are certain places where you do need to talk to a human being. Our next AI feature for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro is called Audio Magic Eraser, which is basically noise cancellation for your videos. Now that was a pretty loud car. Let us go into the Photos app and we can open that video. Then we can go into Edit. Then we will go into Audio. You will see something called Audio Eraser. It is going to identify the sounds. So this process will take some time and you have to be patient. And there it is. You can see it has detected noise and it has detected some music. So now you have two options. Either you can select Auto, which is going to automatically reduce the noise, or you can select noise and then you have a slider on the bottom and you can say -100. This has basically cancelled out all the noise from the loud car, and we're going to say done over here on the bottom, and then we're going to say save a copy, and bam, there it is. That is Audio Magic Eraser, and this is how that very video sounds after we used that awesome AI Audio Magic Eraser from the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. And there it is, peeps. That was our list of the awesome AI and generative AI features present on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro.